Hindi man kita kilala, pero alam ko na miss mo na siya. Alam ko na naiisip mo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Maybe right now, you are thinking of him. Alam ko na kahit gaano ka busy, nagra-relapse ka pa rin. Kahit gaano mo nililibang ang sarili mo, siya at siya pa rin ang iniisip mo. Because you love him so much. Alam ko kung gaano mo inalay yung buong pagkatao mo sa kanya at hinayaan kanyang enjoyin. At alam ko kung paano rin siya sumaya sa'yo. And right now, you are in the stage wherein you are fantasizing na lahat ng yun mangyayari ulit. Lahat ng mga memories nyo ay sana maulit ulit. In fact, hindi na mangyayari. We are meant to change. And for me, change is inevitable. Hindi mo pwedeng baguhin yan. For us to grow as a person, we need to change. Sometimes God allows us to break our heart for us to bless us. And you know what? It's okay to cry. It's okay to overthink. And it's okay to fantasize. And okay lang magselos. Okay lang isipin na nasan na kaya siya? Sinong kasama niya? Pinagpalit ka na ba? May iba na ba siya? It's okay. Don't deny what you feel. Don't think na okay lang lahat. Because if we keep denying on what we feel, it only gets harder. Okay lang maranasan mo lahat ng hirap. Okay lang masaktan ka lang paulit-ulit. Mag-asawa ka rin. Mamamanhid ka rin. And you know what? Kapag nagsawa ka na, that's the time when you finally realize yung halaga mo, yung worth mo. The moment na wala ka ng pakialam sa nararamdaman mo at sa tao na yon, that's the time you finally understand what is so-called self-worth. It's okay. Darating ang time, magiging okay ka rin.